All right, welcome back. In this video, we are going to do DHCP. So we're going to create a DHCP on this router, and we're going to have this PC get the DHCP address. So let's make sure that we are definitely going to click DHCP. So that takes care of that. Now we will go to the router. We will go into config T mode. We're going to do some excluded IP addressing, IP DHCP excluded address. So this is going to be the first address you want to skip and the last address. So anything in between those addresses will be skipped and not be divvied out. So we're going to do 10.0.10.1, and then we're going to do our last address of 10.0.10. We're going to do 100. So now we have that excluded addresses. So it's going to skip .1 to .100. So we should get an IP address of 101 and later. All right. Now we have to create the DHCP pool name. So as you see, it wants a word. So we're going to say subnet 10.0.10.0. Okay, so now we're in the pool name. As you see, our configuration changed. Now you see DHCP-config. So now we're going to do the network. And it's going to be 10.0.10.0. And that's going to want the mask name. So it wants the mask, so it's going to be 255.255.255.0. So there's our network. Next, it wants a default router. So default router is going to be 10.0.10.1. You can put a DNS name in here as well. So we have default router, DS name, domain name, network. So let's do DNS name server. And we'll just do 8.8.8.8. Okay. So that takes care of that. So let's exit out. Let's go int gig 0/0/. Let's see what interfaces we have on here. Do show IP int brief. All right, so we have a couple different addresses on here. So let's go to gig 001. Actually, no, let's go to gig 002. So that's 0/2. So if you want to create this IP address to be a DHCP address, you would just do IP address DHCP. Now this interface is going to get a DHCP address. And we'll do a no shut. And we'll see if we actually get one. So let's do show IP int brief. Nothing yet. Let's check the PC. And look, we do have an IP address on the PC. It's 10.0.10.101, subnet mask. So now this PC that we have should be able to ping our new IP address, 10.0.10.101. And we can ping it. So that's how DHCP works. Let's check to see if the router address got on there. No, it hasn't got on there. Probably 'cause it's not connected. Let's see. Config T. Oh, let's exit out of here. Let's do show IP DHCP binding. So we are seeing an IP address that's binded, and that is our PC. Oh, I know why the DHCP is not working. It's because we don't have anything plugged into port 2. It's up, protocol is down. So let's see if I do something. Let me see if I go to connections, straight through. Let's go. Oh, there is no 002. Whatever. Okay. So there is no 002 on here. I don't know why it shows that in the config. That's weird. All right. But that's how you would put an IP address on an interface. You would just do IP address DHCP. All right, so let's go ahead and let's go to config T mode. Let's default that interface gig 0/0/2, and it defaulted. All right, so that's DHCP, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day, guys.